Hi, Bruce Herta here with an SBA lending tip from Fidelity Bank. I am here today to talk about 3 ways SBA loans finance small business real estate with only 10% down. Small business owners want to conserve cash to grow their business. When they need a new facility for business operations, the down payment requirement for traditional bank financing may be too high. A new building or location for the business, however, is sometimes a good investment. An SBA government guaranteed loan offers lower down payment requirements, longer repayment terms, and easier qualifying criteria than a conventional bank loan. Because the SBA loan is a business loan and not a traditional real estate mortgage, there are 3 ways the business owner can finance the purchase or new construction of a small business real estate facility with as little as 10% down. Number 1, if the small business owner has a stable cash flow sufficient to make payments on a loan with 90% of the cost financed, an undersecured SBA loan might be approved. Most SBA lenders value real estate collateral at 85% of cost, so a 90% loan is undersecured. The second method is if the small business does not qualify for 90% financing because new income from business expansion is being relied upon for loan payments. The business or its owners may pledge other company or personal assets as additional collateral to help qualify for a lower down payment. The third method would be if the seller of the real estate is willing to carry second lien financing. The small business may be able to lower its down payment requirement in half. With standby financing, the seller agrees to being repaid after the SBA loan is paid first. The seller earns interest on the seller note for a long-term investment. New startup businesses and single-purpose properties often require more than a 10% down payment with SBA financing, but additional collateral or seller standby financing can help achieve a lower down payment requirement with all small business property types. Your SBA preferred lender is authorized to approve and process loans on behalf of the U.S. Small Business Administration. We lend bank funds and we receive a partial government guarantee on the small business loan. This allows SBA borrowers to achieve down payment requirements which average half the down payment requirement with conventional bank financing. That concludes your SBA lending tip of the day. I'm Bruce Herta. If you have any questions, please give me a call.